Good morning class, this is a science class and today we will do next chapter, that is chapter 9. Which chapter is this? This one is okay, so this chapter is chapter 9, that is clothes and homes. So today we will read chapter 9 and then okay, so open your book, that is page number 57, clothes and homes, chapter 9. So open your book and start reading after me. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this one is chapter 9, clothes and homes. Okay, and page number 57. Open your page number 57 and start reading after me. We wear different types of clothes on different occasions. Okay, need of clothes. We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold and rain. Okay, and open the next page. Types of clothes. We wear clothes according to weather. When it is hot, we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are made of cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Okay, now in the next paragraph, when it is cold, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are made of wool. We get wool from sheep. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Okay, now next, when it rains, we wear a raincoat over our clothes. We also wear gumboots or carry an umbrella. Raincoat, gumboots and umbrella prevent us from getting wet. We should always wear neat and clean clothes. Okay, now next, need of a house. We all need a house to live in. A house keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. It also keeps us safe from wild animals and thieves. Okay, now on the next page 59. Rooms in a house. A house has many rooms. Each room has a different use. We entertain our guests in the living room. Our mother cooks food in the kitchen. We eat food with our family in the dining room. We sleep in our bedroom. We study in our study room. We take a bath in the bathroom. A house has doors and windows. Windows let in sunlight and fresh air. We must keep our house neat and clean. We should keep things in right places. Okay, so this one is chapter 9. You have to practice for reading. Okay, आपको reading की practice करनी होगी. Okay, so now today I will also do this activity. So open your pencil and write down their names. Here are some clothes. You have to write their names, and there are some names of clothes. You have to choose from here which one is this. Okay, let's start. Okay, so which this clothes is what? Skirt, shirt, coat or frock? So this one is frock. This is a spelling of frock. You have to write here F-R-O-C-K, frock. Okay, so this cloth is, now you skirt, shirt, coat. So which cloth is this? This one is shirt. So here is the spelling of shirt. Right here, S-H-I-R-T. Okay, now this cloth is what? Skirt. So you write the spelling of skirt here. So this one is the spelling of skirt. Write it here, S-K-I-R-T. Okay, now this one is what? Coat. So here is the spelling of coat. You have to write here, C-O-A-T, coat. Okay, so you have to read this and send the voice message and do this activity also. Okay, so that is all you have, and homework is read, practice reading. Okay, and you have to read this chapter and send the voice message. Okay, thank you class.